Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, our lesson today is about similarity of polygons. Similarity of polygons. Similar polygons definition: the two polygons having the same number of sides are said to be similar if their corresponding angle are congruent and the lengths of their corresponding side are proportional. If the two triangle A, B, C and X, Y, Z are similar, triangle ABC similar with triangle X, Y, Z. The two triangle written in the same order. We have two relations, sides and angle, or angle and side. The relation between angles, the first angle here is measure of angle A, equals or congruent the first angle, measure of angle X. The second angle, measure of angle B. The second angle in the second triangle, measure of angle Y. The third angle, measure of angle C. And the third angle, measure of angle Z. That is, the corresponding angle are congruent or are equal. The corresponding angles are equal or congruent. The corresponding sides are proportional. Means AB, first side AB over first side XY equals second side BC over second side XY, YZ, sorry, second side YZ equal third side AC over third side XZ. Then the angles or the corresponding angles are equal and the proportional side, the corresponding sides are proportional. Example, in the opposite figure, the polygon ABCD similar with the polygon EFGH. Find the scale factor of the similarity of the two polygons and find the value of X and Y. Type. Then we do the two relations, angles and sides. Then the required is side. Then we can't do the relation between angles. We must do the relation between sides. Then from the similarity, the polygon AB CD similar with the polygon EFGH. The two polygons are written in the same order. So AB over EF equals BC over FG equals CD over GH equals first and last AD over EH. That is the proportional side. Then we substitute from the figure by the length of AB, the length of EF, the length of BC. AB in the figure, AB equals Y plus 2, then Y plus 2 over EF equals 6 equals PC, not PC as it is, FG as it is, CD is 15, GH GH equals X, AD equals 12, EH equals 8. Then the known ratio since this 12 over 8 is the known ratio, and the known ratio, it's a scale factor. It's a scale factor in its simplest form. Then number 1, find the scale factor, scale factor equals 12 divided, we simplify 12 with 8 divided 4 equals 3 over 2 or 3 to 2. 3 over 4 or 3 over 2 or 3 to 2. That's the scale factor he wants. Then find the value of x and y. We take the known ratio with 15 over x and find the value of x, and we take also the known ratio with y plus 2 over 6, as you see. First we take 15 over x equals the reduce equals 4 equals 3 over 2, scale factor 3 over 2. By taking cross multiplication, then x equals 2 times 15 over 3 equals 10 centimeter. That is the length of x. Number 2, y plus 2 over 6 equals 3 over 2. Then y plus 2 equals 6 times 3 over 2. Then the result is 9. By adding the additive inverse of 2, then the result is 7 centimeter. Then the value of x is 10 and the value of y is 7. Example, in the opposite figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and DE 8 centimeter, FEF 9, and FD is 10 centimeter. If the perimeter of the triangle ABC equals 81 centimeter, find the side lengths of the triangle ABC. We said the sides are proportional. If the two triangle or the two polygons are similar, then AB over first side DE equals BC over the EF equals AC third side over third side DF. That is the proportion of side. This ratio equals scale factor and also equal the perimeter of the triangle, ABC over the perimeter of the triangle DEF. That is the scale factor or the common ratio. Then we substitute by AB missing over DE equals 8 centimeter, PC missing BC over EF equals 9 centimeter, AC missing AC over DF equals 10 equals the perimeter of triangle ABC. We can't find this perimeter, then this perimeter 1 over the perimeter of triangle DEF, the perimeter of triangle DEF, the sum of its side, 10 plus 9 plus 8, 10 plus 9 plus 8 equals 27. So we can use, we also substitute by the perimeter of triangle ABC by 81. This is the known ratio. By simplify, divided 9 equals 9, divided 9 equals 3, or divided 3 equals 3 over 1 or 3 to 1. This is the simplify of this ratio equals 3 to 1 or 3 over 1, 3 to 1. Then we take the known ratio with AC, find the length of AC, with BC, find the length of BC, with AB, find the length of AB. Then AB equals 3 times 8 over 1 equals 24 centimeter. Similarly, BC equals 3 times 9 divided 1 equals 27 centimeter. Then AC also, AC equals 3 times 10 divided 1 equals 30 centimeter. To be sure your answer is right, we do find the perimeter of the triangle ABC, 24 plus 27 plus 30. So you find the perimeter equals 81. Or by substitute by AB by 24 over 8 equals 3 over 1 as the scale factor you want. That's the right answer of this question. Similarity ratio of two polygons. Let K be the similarity ratio of polygon M1 to M2. If K greater than 1, then the polygon M1 is an enlargement of M2. If K greater than 0 and less than 1, between 0 and 1, the polygon M1 is a shrinking. Shrinking is minimize of the polygon M2. If K equals 1, then the polygon M1 is the congruent of M2. In general, you can use similarity ratio in calculation of the dimensions of the similar figures. Number 2 or example, if the polygon ABCD similar with polygon XYZL complete, AB over BC, we can use the relation to prove or to answer this questions. You can use the general relation AB over XY equals BC over YZ equals CD over ZL equals AD over XL. This is the general relation or the proportional side. Then he use AB over BC, this relation AB over BC. Then we replace BC with XY. Then AB over BC equals XY over YZ. XY over YZ. The relation number B, AB times ZL. AB times ZL. This relation AB times ZL equals CD times XY. CD times XY. The third relation BC plus YZ. BC plus YZ plus YZ over YZ equals number C, BC plus YZ, that's BC over YZ, and the equal ratio AD plus AD over XL. Then BC numerator plus denominator over denominator equals numerator plus denominator over denominator. Then AD. That is the properties of proportion. The perimeter of polygon XY from ZL AB from CD. ABCD. ABCD. Number 3, if the polygon ABCD similar with the polygon XYZL and AB 32, BC 40, XY 3M minus 1, 3M minus 1, and YZ equal 3M plus 1, 3M plus 1, 3M plus 1. Find the numerical value of M. Then from the similarity of two polygons, we use the proportion sides. Then AB over first side XY equals BC over second side YZ equals CD third side over third side ZL equals last side AD over last side XL. By substitution, AB equals 32 over XY 3M minus 1 equals BC equals 40 over YZ equals 3M plus 1 equals CD we haven't CD and ZL we haven't LZ, so we can solve this ratio or this proportion by cross multiplication. Then 32 multiply 3M plus 1 equals 40 multiply 3M minus 1. We can simplify 32 with 40. 32 divided 8 equals 4 and 40 divided 8 equals 5. 5 times 8 40, 4 times 8 32. Then we can multiply 4 by 3M and 1 and multiply 5 by 3M and negative 1. Then 12M plus 4 equals 5 times 3 15 M minus 5. By solving this equation, M with the additive inverse and 5 with the additive inverse, then 15 M minus 12M equals 4 plus 5, then 3M equals 9 divided 3, then M equals 3. That is the value of M. Number 4, the dimensions of rectangles are 10 and 6. 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Dimensions mean length and width. Find the perimeter of and the area of another rectangle. This another rectangle. Find the perimeter and the area similar to it. F. The scale factor is 3. We let that the two dimension of the second rectangle is x and y. Then from the similarity of two rectangles, the proportion between the two dimensions, the proportion of the two dimension of the two rectangle equals 3 to or 3 over 1 or 3 to 1. The scale factor, then the smallest is the known and the greatest is the required. Then we must change the two rectangles. Then x is the length over the length of the second rectangle, 10 equals width is y over the second width of rectangle is 6 equals the scale factor is 3 to 1. By the equality, then y equals 3 times 6 over 1 equals 18 centimeter, and x equals 10 times 3, 10 times 3 over 1 equals 30 centimeter. That is the two sides of the required rectangle, or the two dimensions, dimension length, and that is the required number A. That is number A. Number B, the scale factor is 0.4. Then we use the same relation x over 10 equals y over 6 equals 0.4 or 4 over 10 by reduce 4 over 10 equals 2 over 5 by the equality. Then y equals 6 times 2 over 5 and x equals 10 times 2 over 5. Then y equals 2.4 centimeter and x equals 4 centimeter. When the scale factor is 3, that's magnification, then the two dimensions become bigger than the original dimensions. When the scale factor is 0.4 less than 1, then the two rectangles are minimized or reduction, then the two dimensions become smaller than the original dimensions. That's the end of our lesson. Thank you.